So leopard. Movie leopard, leopard. Monkey, monkey. Okay, very good. So now tell me what animal see? Food, food. Next, grass, grass. Okay. So can you divide animals according to their eating habits? Yes. Yes. Okay. So today's our topic is adaptation for food. So I will show you a video based on this topic. Okay. Animal category based on what they eat. Okay. So animals eat the grass. They are called carnivores. So cow meat and goat meat to be devoured. So animals that eat meat to enjoy themselves are called carnivores. Can you give me some examples? Lion, tiger, one by one. Lion, tiger, very good. Sally, monkey, monkey, okay. Chimpanzee also, okay. So next. Carnivore. Animals that eat plants are called carnivores. Earth means plant and water means eat. So again, animals that eat plants are called carnivores. Example: horse, very good. Cow, very good. Okay. Continue. Attention. Animals that eat both plants and meat are called carnivores. Only plant or water means to eat. So carnivore means eat animals that eat all things like meat or plant. Okay, these are called carnivores. One example, carnivore, carnivore. Deer, one by one. Yes, bird side. Very good. Yes, Charlie. Sit down, sit down. Yes, cow, Okay, dog is also omnivore. What about human? Human is both food and flesh. So humans are omnivore. Okay. Only human are omnivore.